Get ready to be absolutely mesmerized by this cake. The island cake is the most popular cake at the moment, and today we're doing the beautiful island in Portugal, Vila Franca do Campo. It is an inhabited volcanic island. Starting with chocolate cake and ganache and recreating every part of the island. Each detail of the cake is taken care of. It is such a beautiful process. We love it. Here comes the fun part. The Jell-O is coming. It is such a beautiful process. We love it. The island cake is truly a masterpiece. The cake is going to look so good. Too good to eat. Using blue food dye for the Jell-O. Covering the entire cake with the Jell-O. Such a cool and interesting technique, right? We're so excited for the end result. Carefully taking the acetate sheet off and continuing with the process. Crushed cookies and food dye for decorations. They are taking care of every detail. It's beautiful to see. It's looking pretty realistic so far. We're so excited for the end result. She is so talented. We're in awe. The time and patience it took to make this must have been a lot. But it's worth it because this island cake is looking better and better. Using food dye to add more decor and accentuate the sea and its waves. It is so incredibly good. An awesome creation. Who's excited to see the end result? They're just adding the finishing touches. So exciting! They did a wonderful job. The island Jell-O cake is done. Absolutely mesmerizing.